Hello everyone, in this video I will show you some basic exercise using Arduino. On this slide you see the Arduino UNO board and the basic components. Let's see which the components we will use in our projects. There are only basic components. You can see breadboard. This we will use to connect. The first one is the breadboard. We will use it in the complicated schema. Next you can see LED, light emitting diode, resistor, temperature sensor, photoresistor, wires, potentiometer, moisture soil, ultrasonic sensor and external power. There are only basic components. Let's create some project using Tinkercad at first, before connecting the components in reality. Go to the website tinkercad.com. You can see a dashboard and we will create a new project. Click on the plus button and choose circuit. You can see your dashboard. On the right you can see the components, basic components. You can choose all components and you can see all components. You may to drag and drop. I will choose Arduino UNO at first. In this program you can simulate connection between the components. To connect the wire I will draw the line. Okay, you can change the color of the line. On this picture you can see the power pins, the analog pins and the digital pins. Let's create the exercise for diode. I will choose diode. One leg is longer than the other. This will be anode and the other will be cathode. The anode I will connect to 5 volts. This is 5 volts. And I will draw the wire. I must add some resistor because too much current must not pass through the diode. I will connect to the ground directly to see, and I will start simulation. You can see the warnings. The current through the LED is 483 milliampere, while absolute maximum is 20 milliamperes. That's why I must add some resistor. 22 ohms will be enough. I will add resistor, and then I will rotate it. I will set unity to ohms and value is 22. I will connect the cathode with this resistor, change the color to green, and the other end of the resistor I will connect to ground. I will change color to black. And start. You can now see the LED light up. In this picture you can see the breadboard. If you want to connect two wires that must be in the same voltage, you must put it into same horizontal line. That will be horizontal line, or you may put it in this long line. Two of them, this and this, you can use for VCC potential. If you want to put and connect the ground, you must use the red line. You can see minus this and this. This point and this point is not of the same potential, but this point, yes. This point is on the same potential too.